Hello, and welcome back to FactsVilli. Today's video is going to be about ChatGPT, a popular language model developed by OpenAI. While ChatGPT is an excellent tool for natural language processing, there are other alternatives out there that might be even better suited to your needs. In this video, we will be discussing 5 ChatGPT alternatives that you might want to consider. GPT-3. The first ChatGPT alternative on our list is GPT-3. GPT-3 is a language model developed by OpenAI, and it's one of the largest and most advanced models available today. GPT-3 has 175 billion parameters, which is significantly more than ChatGPT's 1.5 billion parameters. This means that GPT-3 is capable of generating much more complex and nuanced responses to natural language queries. One of the key advantages of GPT-3 is its ability to perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks, including text completion, language translation, and summarization. GPT-3 is also more versatile than ChatGPT in terms of the types of data it can process, including images, tables, and even code. BERT. The second ChatGPT alternative on our list is BERT, which stands for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers. BERT is a language model developed by Google, and it's one of the most widely used models in the industry today. One of the key advantages of BERT is its ability to perform context-aware language processing. This means that BERT is better able to understand the meaning behind a given piece of text, which can lead to more accurate and relevant responses to natural language queries. BERT is also highly customizable, which makes it a popular choice for developers who want to fine-tune the model for specific use cases. Overall, BERT is a highly versatile and powerful language model that is well suited to a wide range of natural language processing tasks. XLNet. The third ChatGPT alternative on our list is XLNet, which is another language model developed by Google. XLNet is similar to BERT in many ways, but it uses a different training algorithm that allows it to perform even better on certain types of tasks. One of the key advantages of XLNet is its ability to perform task-specific natural language processing. This means that XLNet is better able to adapt to different types of data and generate more accurate responses based on the context of the query. XLNet is also highly scalable, which makes it a good choice for organizations that need to process large volumes of natural language data. Overall, XLNet is a highly versatile and powerful language model that is well suited to a wide range of natural language processing tasks. RoBERTa. The fourth ChatGPT alternative on our list is RoBERTa, which stands for Robustly Optimized BERT Approach. RoBERTa is a language model developed by Facebook, and it's one of the most powerful models available today. One of the key advantages of RoBERTa is its ability to perform highly accurate natural language processing. This means that RoBERTa is capable of generating highly accurate responses to natural language queries, even in complex and nuanced contexts. RoBERTa is also highly customizable, which makes it a popular choice for organizations that need to fine-tune the model for specific use cases. Overall, RoBERTa is a highly versatile and powerful language model that is well suited to a wide range of natural language processing tasks. T5. The fifth ChatGPT alternative on our list is T5, which stands for Text-to-Text Transfer Transformer. T5 is a language model developed by Google, and it's one of the most versatile and flexible language models available today. One of the key advantages of T5 is its ability to perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks, including text summarization, language translation, and question answering. T5 is also highly customizable, which makes it a popular choice for organizations that need to fine-tune the model for specific use cases. T5 is also known for its impressive performance on benchmark natural language processing tasks, making it one of the most accurate and reliable models available today. Overall, T5 is a highly versatile and powerful language model that is well suited to a wide range of natural language processing tasks. So there you have it, 5 ChatGPT alternatives that you might want to consider. While ChatGPT is an excellent tool for natural language processing, these models offer even more versatility, power, and accuracy, making them a great choice for organizations and individuals who need the very best in natural language processing capabilities. Whether you choose GPT-3, BERT, XLNet, RoBERTa, or T5, you can be sure that you're getting a top-of-the-line language model that will help you process and understand natural language data more effectively than ever before. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to FactsVilli for more informative and interesting videos. Also, let us know in the comments section which of these ChatGPT alternatives you have used or which one do you think is the best alternative. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Before we end this video, we would like to remind you that while these ChatGPT alternatives are excellent tools for natural language processing, they are not perfect. As with any technology, it's important to consider the limitations and potential biases of these models, particularly when it comes to sensitive or controversial topics. As always, it's important to approach natural language processing with a critical and discerning eye, and to use these tools responsibly and ethically. With that said, we hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.